What's up everybody, Kid Android here. So, Huawei has a great long-term trust and brand loyalty within China. Although Huawei is not offering some of the high-end features like the latest chipset, and the biggest thing is the 5G. Yes, latest Huawei phones doesn't offer 5G, and you might be surprised to hear that. According to the latest information, Huawei's Mate X3 foldable just became the top seller in China, whereas the Huawei P60 series are the top sellers in the country in the 4,000 to 6,000 yuan price segment. And you know what? Chinese market researcher iResearch data shows that Huawei's folding screen phone market share just exceeded 50% inside China. And guys, this is happening for the third consecutive year. In 2022, Huawei's market share is recorded at about 51.3%, and now again it has captured 50% of the market, which has exceeded the combined progress of all the other big companies including Samsung inside China. Anyway, the Huawei Mate X3 and the Huawei P60 Pro just became Huawei's top sellers in the Chinese market, and regardless, we can't deny that there is obviously some truth to this claim. As according to the Counterpoint research and few other market researches, Huawei achieved a shipment increase of 41% and increased its market share to 9.2% year over year in the Q1 2023 compared to the Q1 2022. It really looks like Huawei is managing to stay really competitive on its home ground. And guys, I would say there are two main reasons of Huawei's success. One is the overall hardware of these two big devices. Obviously, the Huawei Mate X3 is the best foldable phone. It's sleek and has tons of features. On the other hand, the Huawei P60 Pro has an amazing camera which is appealing the audience. And the second thing is that Huawei's bonding and loyalty inside China is crazy, as Huawei has a great trust and brand loyalty within the country. Therefore, Chinese people started appreciating Huawei phones again even without 5G. So yeah, this is indeed a great news for all the Huawei fans around the globe, and I'm waiting for this kind of success in the global market as well. So yeah, what do you think about it? Well, let me know in the comments down below, and as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.